Do you think that you and your staff can reach your sales goals without hiring more salespeople? Well, I'm pretty sure you can. And you can likely even raise those goals. And you can do that if you use a combination of the best sales methods, of AI, and of sales automation, so that you can identify the hottest customer cases where you can put a personal touch where it's needed, so that the customer feels seen, but without it taking you a lot of time. In this strategic sales workshop, we make sure to find the right overall plan and process, the right priorities, and the right amount of sales automation, where your personal efforts and the technology are in balance. And perhaps above all, that you get a proper consensus internally about what you're going to achieve and how you're going to get there, with an emphasis on your situation at hand and the staffing resources that you already have. That would be worth half a day now, wouldn't it? See you.